Cameraman. I'm kind of nervous. I haven't did this in a while. Well, we're back with another banger, and we have a surprise. We're doing something to the car, and I'm broke, so. Surprise. I did it, guys. I did it. Got an M. I've been all my life. I've been working so hard for this car. You know, I know y'all saw it in the mountains and stuff. I let my boy drive it or whatever, but we made it. I'm so happy. Like, come. It's on a feedlot. Oh, my son. It's on a feedlot, you know, it's on a tire, fast car. I'm pushing like 1,000 horsepower right now. Big single. I'll pop the clip, but the latch is broken. So. But you know, this is the new amp. This is the new amp. You feel me? And I got a surprise little show But yeah, this is the new amp. Goodness, is that the best wide body? Oh my god. And that's wide body. You're a pro at this shit.
Sometimes.
I feel like sitting next to a guy that won Best Non-M, it feels so...
I didn't win no fucking Best Non-M. Get slapped. Trolling me right now?
Nah. In my heart, you won Best Non-M.
I got love. Ashy ass hand.
What'd you say?
Huh?
So if it breaks, what?
It's your fault.
It's my fault if it breaks?
Yeah. Right?
But who's doing... But...
Huh? Listen, that video is your fucking waiver.
Video is going to be me driving the M3.
Oh, you're gonna get an M3?
Huh?
Why is this girl so long, bro?
I'm not getting an M3 anytime soon. That's why I have one outside I could drive. Ooh. Uh-oh.
Can I put this in the car?
Car, yeah, you can put it in there.
I'm putting this in the trunk. Fuck ass steering wheel. Bitch ass steering wheel.
The computer say, Floyd said, fuck T.I., fuck Nelly, fuck 50. I'm like, what did he say fuck me for?
Oh. What happened?
Jesus. Look at that now.
Why does it look like the connector is missing? You see this? Where's that a connector, bro?
What you mean? One, two, and then one on the airbag.
I knew that.
Am I sanctioned now?
Huh?
Am I sanctioned?
What do I mean?
Am I valid?
Valid for what?
Since I have like a real steering wheel now?
You had a fake steering wheel?
No, like,
Over here?
move it? Since like I have like a carbon fiber steering wheel.
Yeah, back.
And shit. I had this problem before, so I'm not panicking.
What problem? When the shit don't go in?
Yeah, the airbag didn't go in. I sat there for like 3 hours trying to get it in.
I figured I would have this problem.
I'm not worried.
The hell?
What?
People yelling and shit.
We're in the hood, man. trenches, man.
Nigga said the trenches.
Okay, watch your step. You might step on the needle.
What?
Okay, you could close it now. Best wide body, best non-M car going away for the winter.
Because I don't really like that.
Yo, oh, oops. Yo, this is weird, bro. Hold on. You think I'm gonna cook myself coming out of here?
You might scrape bumper.
Straight.
I said bumper on wrong.
I'm not good.
You're good.
I'm not good.
You're good. You're good. Slow.
This is worse than my driveway. No, it's not worse than my driveway. I'm chilling. It's not worse than my driveway. My driveway's worse. Oh my god. Yo, Chad, new videos coming from POV. Yo, we gotta. Oh my god. Shout out my boy Rush, man, cause he got a nigga right, man. Look at the. Nah, this is hard. Oh my god. Now this is fire. Yeah, put that seatbelt on, boy.
Fuck you.
Now this is hard, gang. Now this is fire. Yeah, this is what's up, man. I gotta do my ambient lightings, and I gotta do this. You get new paddles. When the paddle is like right there, what the fuck? Like I can't see out this car right now. Is it just me?
No, I can't either.
But bro, we're sanctioned. We're back with great content. Giving out straight POVs now, cause you see the steering wheel. You know what I mean? We made it, bro. We got carbon steering wheel. We made it, bro. But if y'all love the content, y'all loved, I ain't gonna lie, I got ate up that Taylor Dragon. This is gonna go out, and then I'm gonna give y'all that GAT video. I know I'm hella late for the GAT video, but I'm gonna give y'all the GAT video after this, because this is gonna be quick and easy. But if you love the content, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications to get more amazing content like this. But other than that, we'll out. Pothole.